Let's talk about the recently launched ZTE smartphone Blade A55 with sleek design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.75 inches HD plus water drop notch. Display, resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, and with 90 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 13 megapixel main camera, along with AI camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on rear camera, and 720p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of MyOS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 1.6 GHz quad core Cortex A55 plus 1.2 GHz quad-core Cortex A55, powered by Unisoc SC9863A chipset. Paired with PowerVRGE 8322 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB of RAM, and 8 GB of extended RAM, and 64 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable via dedicated micro SD card slot, and the color options sunset orange, starry black, water blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 10-watt charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The ZTE Blade A55 has been priced in Pakistan for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 20,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.